Hi everyone. Today we will complete our lesson about 2D shapes, how to draw, and I will explain about tools options and these crosshair that you see it in the display. These have some options. Go to tools, then options. You see in here in display there is a crosshair size. This, if you want to be it smaller, make it like that, for example 10, 11 or 10. Press apply, then OK. You will see it become smaller. But in drawings for the architect, it's better for you to be the crosshair to be at longest way, and this way it be easier for drawing. We have also we learn about this one. If you draw a line like that, press enter, and I want to divide it for example 5 or 6 parts, equal parts. Go to here to divide, press here, divide, press here, and draw it 6, enter. You will see these dots being clear. Sometimes these dots not be clear for you. What you have to do, just go format. Here you will find something point style. This point style, you will see here the point shapes. Maybe, if you want like that, if you want to be clear that like that, or not to be clear, I choose this one, which is better, 5. If you don't want it 5, make it 2 to be smaller. Okay, see, we divide this line for 6 equal parts. Okay, select and erase, or you can use this erase, or you can use delete in your keyboard. Okay, we will start to draw 2D shapes. Here line, we draw line for line like that. This line be straight. If you don't want it to be straight, just press here ortho or F8. See, it will not be straight. If you want to finish, just click enter or space, it's the same. Okay, delete. I want to draw this one, which mean multi-line. This, if you choose this, you will draw 2 lines parallel to each other. With a space between them, you have to write it. Click. You will see here the start point, the scale will be 60 centimeter. If you want to change this 60, before you press anything here, you will have to write S. It's mean I want to change the scale. S, then enter. I want the space between the 2 lines to be 40 centimeter. Then press enter. Then you can start to draw. See, these 2 lines are parallel to each other, and the space between the 2 lines will be 40 as I write. Press here this ortho to be straight. If you want to complete like that, press enter to finish. Okay, see, these lines be one object. If I want these objects to be each one to be separate from the other one, what I have to do, select the object, then you'll find here something mean explode. Explode, that means if you press explode, you will find that each part will be separate from the other one. Okay, I want to check the space or the dimension between the 2 lines. You will see that it's be 40 as I write down in the comment. Okay, here same polyline, same of this, but this one line only, not two line. See, if you want, there is something important. If you want to close it directly, you can make like this and enter, or you can write C, then enter, it will become closed. Okay, this one object, I want it to be each line separate from the other one. Just click on this one, explode. See, each line become separate from the other line. Okay, here I have something mirror. What is mirror? Mirror, you make the object in the mirror side like that. Choose mirror. I want all these objects to be mirror. Enter, or you can use the right click of the mouse. Then I want the mirror to be in these axes. Make the axis right. See? Press, then enter. Okay. There is important thing. If you want to make a mirror and you want the original object to be erased, you can make like this again. Mirror. Select the object. Enter or right click. I want to be mirrored to this side. Okay. Press. See what's written here. Erase source object. Write Y. Enter. See? If you don't want it to erase, you write N. Enter. This is very important for the mirror object. Okay, copy object, it's like, it's just copy. The same object, copy. If you want to finish the copy, press just enter. Erase all. Okay, this one is a rectangle. If you want to draw a rectangle, start from here and just move it. Don't press anything. I want an accurate rectangle. What I have to do, you have to make shift, add. See, it's clear here. Add the dimension for the rectangle. For example, we have the for example 100. We have to make comma 50. Enter. This is my rectangle. For dimension will be here like what I write. This will be 100. Enter. This will be 50. Erase the dimension. Okay, this rectangle, I want to make something written, a new command, which is offset. Offset means if I want this to be offset like 20 centimeter or 40 centimeter. I will show you. Press offset. Then you will see down. You want the distance of the offset. How much you want it? Write it 20. Enter. Then press in the main object. I want it to be offset to here or offset to inside. See? Okay. I make it offset outside, or if you want to make offset inside, you have to press again on the main object, then like that, enter. These all will be 20. 20. Okay. If I want this object to be separate, just go explode, select all these objects, enter. You will see each part be separate from the other one. Here we have the circle. If you want to draw a circle, just press here. You will find the circle. Read down in the command bar. Specify the radius of the circle. Radius. Maybe I will show 40. Enter. You will see that this circle have a radius of 40. How I can be sure that it's 40? See here in the dimension this radius. Just press here. You will see R40. Or if you want to see the diameter, this one is the diameter. press like that, it will be diameter 80. I want to make offset for this circle about 10 centimeter, right 10, enter, press here, out or inside, I'll make it out, enter. Don't forget to make enter to end the command. Okay, I want to move this circle from here. I don't want it to be here. This the command of move. Click move, select, enter or right click, press and move. Okay, select again. You can choose this, or sometimes some people use the letter M. If you write M, it means move. Okay. This one means scale. Scale. If you press scale, I want this circle to be bigger. What I have to do? Press scale. Select the command. Okay. Press enter. The base point for the scale. If I choose here or here, any place here, see the circle will be bigger or smaller. If you write 2, it will be double. Scale is very easy for drawing. Okay. Here this extend, stretch that if you have this, for example, this one, I want it to be longer. Just press stretch, then select stretch, select like that. I want this area to be stretched to this direction. Enter or right click for the mouse and press here and like this. See? I want it to be straight. Press the ortho. I want it to be stretched for 50 centimeter. Now it become, before I drew it 100, now it become 150. 190, yes, yeah, 190. Okay, now I have this shape. If I draw here like a line and another line here, I want to cut this. What I have to do? Go to this command, this, trim. Press trim, then select all these, enter. I want to cut this, enter. This is very important on drawing. If I wanted to extend, press this extend. I want to extend it to this line, enter, like that. We have also, we show this all, this arch. If you want to draw arch, read here in the command area, specify start point of the arch. This is the start point of the arch. The second point of the arch, I wanted 100. Now the space between the first point and second point 100. Okay, point of the arch like that. See the arch like that, and delete. We have also here lines. We study about lines shapes here. If you see these lines thickness, and we have also here lines. We have a lot of lines, like if you want to have dotted line or dashed line, just open this one, load. We have all lines, type of lines that we need. We need sometimes this line, dash this one. You have to write OK, then OK. You have to write it like this, choose here, then go to line, draw a line, make it straight. Okay. this dotted line. Don't forget to back here to this straight line, to you can draw lines again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and please, if you have any comments, just write for me down. Thank you.